decided that at this stage, it is plausible that there is a case under the Genocide Convention. There are certain rights of the Palestinian people in South Africa that need to be protected while the case is pending. That means until the court is able to go into the merits and decide finally on those issues.
So they have not yet said that genocide has or hasn't taken place?
They have not said anything of the sort. In fact, they were very careful to repeat something that they always repeat, that there is no prejudice. This is not prejudicial to whatever will happen in the merits. All that they're saying is, based on what we've seen, there is a plausible case to be made. There are rights at stake that are in danger of irreparable harm, and these need to be protected, and this is our protection order.
And in light of that, Michael, they have announced that Israel need to take certain steps in order to make sure that genocide is not committed.
Yes, they said if it is the case that there is genocidal behaviour going on, it is plausible to us that the situation for the Palestinians in Gaza will get worse before we can fully investigate it. And so there are they're called provisional measures, and we call on Israel, insofar as they can, insofar as it's within its power, first of all, to make sure that genocidal behaviour does not take place, which is really a push to the IDF. Make sure you're not doing this. Make sure there are some basic services for civilians. Make sure that you preserve any evidence of genocidal behaviour, as you are obliged to do under the convention. And interestingly, you've got to report back to us within a month. And that's, they're not the harshest provisional measures, but I think Israel will find these deeply objectionable, to say that, to accept somehow that they have behaved genocidally and that they've got to change what the IDF, Israeli Defence Forces, are doing, preserve evidence of misconduct, and then report back in a month's time. They'll find that very tough. But these are not unreasonable measures to require if you think the situation for the Palestinians will get worse before it gets better, while the genocide issue rumbles along over the next few years.